Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your saved jobs on Glassdoor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to glassdoor.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your saved information and personalized job recommendations. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on your name to access your account settings and activity. Once you're on your profile page, look over to the left sidebar. You'll notice several menu options listed vertically, each giving you access to different sections of your account. Find and click on the option labeled Job Activity. This section is specifically designed to track all your job-related actions on Glassdoor, including the positions you've saved for later review. Now scroll through the list to see all your saved jobs displayed in one convenient location. Each saved job will show you key details like the company name, position title, and when you saved it. This makes it easy to keep track of opportunities you're interested in without having to search for them again. If you come across a job listing that catches your attention and you want to revisit the full details, simply click on it. This will open up the complete job description, allowing you to review requirements, benefits, and application instructions. You can also choose to apply directly from this page if you're ready to take that next step. And that's it, you've now accessed all your saved jobs on Glassdoor, making it simple to manage your job search and keep track of opportunities that interest you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.